How to write to a file, using the logging Python module? How can I use the logging module in Python to write to a file? Every time I try to use it, it just prints out the message.
An example of using logging.basicconfig rather than logging.filehandler. In order, the 5 parts do the following. Set the output file. Filename equals logname. Set it to append rather than overwrite. File mode equals A. Determine the format of the output message. Format equals ... Determine the format of the output time. Dateframe equals %h column %m column %s. And determine the minimum message level it will accept. Level equals logging.debug.
Taken from the Logging Cookbook. And you're good to go. PS, make sure to read the logging how-to as well.
Here's 2 examples, one print the logs, out, the other write the logs to a file. With this example, all logs will be printed and also be written to a file named logs.log. Use example. List of all built-in logging handlers, this URL.
I prefer to use a configuration file. It allows me to switch logging levels, locations, etc. without changing code when I go from development to release. I simply package a different config file with the same name, and with the same defined loggers. Here is my code for the log config file.